beautiful view, no, Naisha? You like it? You like it? I think we'll have our intros regularly from here because I'm loving this view. Yeah. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. And yes, I'm definitely more happy now because Naisha is loving the house. She's really happy. She has a lot of place to run around, and we didn't even explore down. There's like a ton of amenities to.
Papa.
Yes.
A baby king.
Oh, your new toy. Okay. But there is one problem about this particular balcony. Thing is, it's very spacious and all that. Only issue is, you see, this grill is fine, but what she is doing is, she's trying to climb over this. And especially if you have a crazy height like 15th floor, you see that? This is what she's doing. Standing here is fine, but this is dangerous. Don't do that. Still tall and planning to cover this whole thing with a mesh or a thicker grill so that this gets covered completely and she'll not be able to step like this. Very bad. Don't do this. For now, we don't have the grill, so what I'm doing is not opening the sliding door at all. We're just locking it and keeping it. This is not the place to play. Come inside. At least till we get the grill. Get inside. Get inside. And OS vlog has started a little bit late today. Time is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We didn't even have our lunch yet. As usual, we are ordering from Swiggy for the next 2 days because there are no groceries yet. We have all the groceries, most of it, but we still need to get vegetables. The reason we did not get vegetables is because fridge was installed last night. So tonight, that is the plan. We want to go get some vegetables so that we can start cooking on our new stove, new grill, all new. Oh yes, RO filter is also here. Otherwise, we were relying on these bottles from the last 2-3 days. This part of the house is pretty much set up. The major thing that we need to set up is this is the guest bedroom. Of course, like I told you, after we set up everything, then I'll do a proper home tour. For now, there's a lot of junk over here. All these are empty dumbbells. We need to throw this out. And most importantly, I have to set up the office space because right now, except the desk, there's nothing else. Because of which we are having a lot of echo. And there is one more thing that needs to get fixed today: the washing machine. And oh yes, the most important thing. TV is ready. Only thing is we don't have time to enjoy it much. Once we properly settle down, then we'll get some time to nicely chill on this place and relax. Swiggy. Okay, that is our lunch. Puri, is it for me?
For us.
Puri,
masala,
no diet, nothing for some time.
Masala dosa, idli vada.
Masala dosa, idli vada.
All buffet.
This is specially for Naisha.
Yeah.
And sambar and chutney. Hey, finally, High Tech City mein they gave us sambar, dude.
ऐसा नहीं है बाबा.
Veg manchuria and yes, some pista house biryani that is left over from yesterday.
I think
But you know what?
biryani
Yes, biryani tastes much better the next day. It gets marinated properly, so it tastes better the next day. Actually, most of it is like that. Most of the masala stuff, the next day it is much
I
better.
put tissues है, बहुत तेल है.
अभी पूरी है तो तेल होगा
थोड़ा
ना.
सा वाइट करेंगे ना.
So there might be like 200 calories extra in it, which we are shrinking it out. It's a good practice to do that. You can enjoy puri, remove some oil which will remove at least 50 to 60
What
calories.
is Naisha doing? Naisha,
Naisha, come inside. Come inside. I'm closing. Bye. Then come. And it seems, I don't remember actually, Pooja is saying that we used to eat a lot of puri before.
You.
Me?
हाँ.
I didn't know
We were
this.
dating.
That is why I was like 96 kilos.
इसलिए you were like a puri only. अभी होता है.
Pata nahi what happened. All of a sudden, Hyderabad got really cold, and at this height, oh yes, we gonna post about the height for some days. We're in the 15th floor, and we have amazing wind over here. And right now, I don't know what's happening, but suddenly there's dense fog, and it feels cold. Obviously, it should be like this since the last 20-30 days. It is November, and it should obviously be really cold. Somehow, since the last couple of days, it's being humid here in Hyderabad, and also it is raining continuously. Abhi to actually 2-3 days it is not raining. We have clear skies. Today, especially till afternoon, it was fine. Since I think 4 o'clock or something, suddenly it started getting like this. Oh yes, we are giving the weather report. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. You see that? Anyways, it was a very lazy afternoon today. We had some lunch and after that we just crashed. And then the washing machine installation guy came. Now washing machine is also set. So I think this house is completely set. Well, the house is never completely set. I think it is 90% set. Right now we are planning to go get the last couple of groceries, mainly veggies and all that. Because we need to start cooking. Naisha is getting bored staying here all the time. So we thought there's amazing amenities. There's a lot of space to run down. So we thought we'll take her. Let's go, Naisha. You have a lot of stuff to play down. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. excited
Loves
because
to
you're
go
going
out.
down.
She
She
loves
loves
moving.
going out. Yeah.
Like us.
The only thing is 6 o'clock is like a peak hour.
Yeah.
If you go down, there's a lot of
8
people
o'clock is
around.
actually better, but we have to do
7:30,
grocery.
8 o'clock is good.
We need to do grocery shopping, so it's better we go now. Chalo.
Okay, that is the play area. Play area number 1. And this is the basketball court. Sorry, tennis court. There are like 2 tennis courts here. Yeah, that is the basketball court. Actually, we are confused now. This is the thing. You need to come every day, explore a lot.
Right.
Only then you'll understand the map of this place.
that way from
Not here, that side, somewhere that side. That is play area number 2, yeah, that one. Straight, direct. And this is play area number 1 and that is play area number 2. That one. But like I told you, a lot of people if you come in the peak hour, 6 o'clock. I see you're enjoying. You're having fun. No, this is cheating.
Huh?
She'll always say no.
For what?
Are you having fun with it? She'll say no.
No.
I say, having fun.
Say yes. पैर इधर
Enjoying my show. You had fun? No, this is bad. Itna fun karke itna you played and now you're saying no fun. Huh? Okay, tomorrow we'll come again, okay? Okay, now we're gonna go and get some vegetables and there is a supermarket inside itself, inside the community, so we're planning to go there and check it out. Hopefully we get everything there.
ओके मामा से बात करिए
So that is the supermarket inside the community called Sampurna. Hopefully we get everything over here. You know what? Finally, I have to say this, finally, I found my parking. I mean, in one shot, right, coming from outside, directly after playing with Naisha, we went to the supermarket here. I have to give a feedback. It is not up to the mark. It's okay. Supermarket.
The sabzi is not fresh today.
Today, sabzi is not fresh, it seems, but most of the time, I think you'll get most of the stuff.
नए घर में सड़ा सब्जी तो नहीं खिलाती तेरे को
No, but I think it is good. I mean, the supermarket is good for a community.
It's got basics, most of the stuff we need.
Yeah, we have most of the urgent stuff you need, basics. We thought we'll go to Ratnadeep
उसको
and...
नीचे करो ग्लास उसको.
Oh yeah, my Sakili, we have to keep everything down. See, she hates the car.
She started crying.
Look who's enjoying with a mask. What do you want? What do you want?
She likes that milk flavored milk.
Abhi se shuru ho gaya, your taste. She likes flavored milk, it seems. You understand something? Yesterday's Ratnadeep's revenue, we gave 13,000. So today you're gonna add more. But this is just for a couple of days. Till we get settled, after that our bills are not gonna be so much.
Something to drink I want to keep here.
Daichka, okay?
Because you will also have.
So are we done?
Yeah.
I think this is done. Grocery shopping, vegetable
For
shopping.
1 quarter, I think.
For 1 quarter.
No, not vegetables. Other
Veg-
things for at least a quarter. Vegetables, of course, every week.
I think for the next 2 months we are good for other stuff, not vegetables. Vegetables I think maybe a week.
Every week we need to go. That
Every
we
week
get in the
we need to
community
go.
also.
Basic vegetables we'll
Haan.
get in the community.
It was not good today, so.
But
that will be
once
better.
again we got a huge bill. But this is gonna be the last huge bill. Hopefully. What do you think?
Yeah. उसके बाद मेरा बैटरी डाउन है अभी gone.
Battery सबका डाउन होता है अभी इधर से. So अभी let's go home. 8-10 हो गया time. We'll go and have some food. यार, I'm so hungry. Today evening I did not have anything.
None
No
of us
snack,
had.
nothing. Yesterday तो you had samosa, vimosa.
मैं नहीं खाई ना. Me and Adit give surprise.
His mom, your mom, Pooja's mom and brother came. They took off our samosas.
अब कोई घर आएगा तो obviously offer no खत्म हो गया. I actually ordered for hubby and he, but then I gave it to them.
No, the reason I'm saying all this is because all this junk food that I'm eating right now, this is for the next 2 days only. From Monday, I'm planning to get back.
Get your list.
Hopefully, once again, hopefully.
थोड़े मेरा खा ले थोड़े दिन. सब्जी
I'll eat
लाई-
yours also. You don't know how I eat there. Nishu got a new
She
toy.
didn't get. She just picked it up, so I had to get it.
Nishu, put it. Don't put it down.
Nishu गंदा है बेटा नीचे.
Like it?
It's a गुलाब है.
Wow.
Oh.
Full grocery shopping done. It feels good because the
Chuku,
fridge
when
feels
you
full.
Chuku, when you do vegetables, you should put it this side, vegetables.
Okay.
Thank you.
Eggs are here, a little bit of chocolates for Pooja. Pooja, please hide those. Otherwise, you'll say I ate off everything.
He ate off 4 of my chocolates. He gave me nothing.
I have no clue.
I love this.
Nice chocolates there. Diet Coke from Monday onwards. Like I told you, we're going to start the diet. All the condiments and sauces, dips, all that here. Deep freezer is right now empty, but we're gonna fill it up with chicken. Lots of chicken.
What is hell? There's paneer and
And there's
mushroom.
the most dangerous Baskin Robbins ice cream.
Yeah, and the apples here, which are
Apples, sir. Sorry, we can't eat unhealthy food like apples.
Unhealthy.
Ice cream khana.
Unhealthy.
Last, I think today is last, Swiggy.
Yeah.
Dinner, shawarma. Yeah, from tomorrow onwards, Pooja is planning to cook.
Yeah, because gas आ गया, सब आ गया. अब सब्जी भी आ गया, so yes, I'm gonna cook.
Okay.
Beans, cabbage, bhindi, aloo,
Too many options, bro.
gobi.
Don't give me so many options. Make whatever you like. We'll adjust from that.
I'll say it in my shop. Okay.
So let's dig in some high-tech city shawarma. Our time is around, oh shit, forgot my watch. Our time is around 10:30 p.m. in the night. So basically we're planning to go to Driven. It's been really long since we went to Driven. We used to go for night rides. I'm not riding a bike because I don't have a bike now. I'm gonna go with my friend. Can you switch off your generator once?
No, powering the entire community. What are you saying?
It's irritating our community, bro.
Sir, Rapido.
Not Rapido, it's Uber.
Kotaru, Sriman.
You know what is the title gonna be for this?
Huh?
You know what is the title going to be for this?
Oh.
My Uber rider came on a super bike. I got my title. Thanks for coming. But we don't have a bike to go to Driven. So I decided to call an Uber on a super bike and this guy appeared. These days we have all super bikes, supercars because of Chaitanya.
My life is flashing before me, right? I'll have to pick you up in a sports bike. R90,
It's not a sports bike, it's an R90. Please get a super sport, okay? Why is this sudden planning going on? I'm gonna be a pillion now.
Hey, you didn't wear a jacket. It's quite
No,
cold.
yeah, actually it is cold. I can't go up and get it now. If you have the patience, I'll get it.
Parale. Koncham
I didn't expect it's gonna be this cold. Yeah, now we have a lot of fat, so no problem. We have at least one inch layer. How do we sit on this small plate here? It's very sharp, like a pan.
ముడ్డికి సరిపోతాయి లేదా ఎక్కువ.
Okay, first time experience on a R90.
Set?
Set kind of. Oh, bro, go slowly, okay? Oh yes, we have to maintain speed limits here. See, 10 kilometers per hour. And rules are very strict. The turn ke really है. ఉత్తరాఖండ్ బ్రదర్ అనాలా క్యాప్టెన్ అనాలా ఏమనాలి నేను
ఎట్లా పిలిచినా పలుకుతారా సర్వాంతర్యామిని
సమంతానా
సర్వాంతర్యామి
అంటే ఏంటి
నా మీద ఒక
స్లో మోషన్ ప్లే బ్యాక్ చేయరా దాన్ని.
వీడేమో
ఏమో 4 వర్డ్స్ చెప్పిండు ఒకేసారి.
సర్వాంతర్యామి అంటే ప్రతి చోట
నువ్వు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా
నేనే పలుకుతాను.
Captain Shiva is also here on the speed twin. We expected the BMW 1250 GS. What happened to that?
ఏది
BMW 1250 GS. Actually, he wanted to go and get my street twin. Then somehow he didn't want to go till Malkajgiri.
had your house is in
Hey, our house is here only now.
if your bike was in Hyderabad I would have got the street twin.
Now you understand my every day I used to come like this. Every day I used to come like this.
నిజంగా ఇది మెచ్చుకోవాలిరా.
మెచ్చుకో.
అరే నిజంగా మెచ్చుకోవాలిరా. అది ఎక్కడ ఉంది తెలుసా?
ఏంటి?
ఈ ఇల్లు.
తెలుసురా
అరే అసలు నాకు ఈ కాలు ఇరిగిపోయింది, సర్జరీ చేసి తీసేస్తారేమో
ఒక స్టోరీ రా. చేజులు ఫైట్లు.
Now you feel that I'm doing the right thing.
వీళ్ళు ఇంటి దాకా పోయిన తర్వాత ఆ ప్లాట్ ఎదగడానికి అది ఏదో అక్కడ నుంచి ఇంకొక 1.5 hours చూపించింది. అరే షిఫ్ట్ అసలు ఇది హైదరాబాద్ నేను ఉండేది అనిపించింది.
Anyway, the rest of the gang is also here.
Cavalry.
అరే ఏం జరుగుతుంది?
Okay, there is a big line of bikes over here. We are here at Driven. Forget about all those bikes. They're all very old bikes, but we have something new over here. The Ducati V2.
హాయ్
Mileage in this nano?
11.
Congrats. You are in my Seltos club. It's a 4-wheeler. This is a 2-wheeler. It shouldn't give so much. It should give at least 15. And the least mileage we get is from this fellow's bike, the ZX10R, and it gives 4, 5, 6. But yeah, it is a looker, man. I mean, look at that color. Very, very beautiful. The other day, actually, I test rode this particular bike. You know, worst thing about this bike is the rear view mirrors. They vibrate a lot. Basically, it's a V2 engine, so it's got a lot of vibrations. So, Joe, what is the worst thing about your bike? Second worst thing about this bike. There's no fuel gauge. It seems even the ZX-10R we don't have fuel gauge. What is this? ఎట్లా లూపుకొని చూడాలా ఏం లాభం మన లక్షలు ఖర్చు పెట్టి వీ నీడ్ ఫ్యూయల్ గేజ్ బ్రో పుల్ల పెట్టి చూద్దాం నా టైగర్లో ఫ్యూయల్ గేజ్ ఉంది ఇట్ డజంట్ షో రేంజ్ టు ఎంటీ
అది చూపిస్తుంది
ఇట్ షోస్ రేంజ్ టు ఎంటీ
విత్ కన్సంప్షన్
అన్నీ నీలానేరా తిక్కగా ఉంటుంది So that was a pretty good meeting. After a long time we did this. Really enjoyed it and I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog in case you did. You guys know what to do, right? Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Really tired for the day. Let's go and